Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the SmallEye XLR female-to-female cables, specifically the 25-foot 2-pack. It's important to note right away, as the product description highlights, these are standard audio XLR cables designed for microphones, mixers, and studio gear, not DMX cables for stage lighting. These cables serve a specific but incredibly useful purpose, bridging two devices that both have male XLR outputs. This female-to-female configuration allows for direct connections, potentially simplifying setups and reducing points of signal degradation compared to using adapters or multiple cables. The cable itself is 25 feet long, offering good reach, and comes in a convenient 2-pack. It's constructed with a highly elastic PVC jacket that feels durable yet flexible, with good resilience against bending, making it suitable for various environments, including outdoor use. Inside, the cables are built for signal integrity. They feature balanced 3-pin wiring with 22 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors. This is paired with aluminum foil braid shielding, a combination designed to effectively protect against electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, ensuring a clean, high-fidelity signal path from source to destination. The connectors are a key part of any cable. These are heavy-duty metal connectors featuring molded-in strain relief, which is crucial for preventing wear and tear at the cable entry point. They also incorporate a self-locking design, standard for XLR, but with a wider button that makes plugging and unplugging easier on the hands, a small but appreciated detail. The header pins themselves are silver-plated. This silver plating is chosen for its low impedance, which helps speed up signal transmission and minimize signal loss. It also offers resistance to rust, contributing to long-term signal stability. The internal welding where the wire connects to the adapter is solid and protected by an insulating layer, designed to prevent solder joint aging and breaking, ensuring the cable remains reliable even with frequent handling. These cables are compatible with a range of audio equipment, including monitors, mixers, digital mixers, amplifiers, and music players, wherever a female-to-female XLR connection is needed. Overall, the SmallEye 25-foot female-to-female XLR cables appear to be a well-constructed, reliable option for specific audio bridging needs. Their focus on signal quality through OFC and shielding, combined with durable materials and user-friendly connector design, makes them a solid choice for studio or live sound applications requiring this particular cable configuration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.